So now I'm going to show you guys how to move liquidity from a farm. So you've got some liquidity pool tokens, some LP staked into a farming position on the MemSwap DEX. And there's a couple of steps that you need to do to move that from the farm, unlock it, and then get that then swapped out so you can move it to a centralized exchange and start selling. So here I am on the MemSwap DEX website, menswap.org. I'm under Earn Liquidity. I have a few farming positions here, and now I want to move out of this SNEC position. SNEC's gone up, ADA's gone up, and I'm pretty happy with where things are at the moment. So let's go to this particular farm and remove this liquidity. So now I'm under Earn Farm. I have a filter on at the moment, and this filter is just showing me what I'm staked in. And this is the pool that I want to remove my liquidity from. So from here, I can just click on Withdraw, click on 100%, and this will remove all my liquidity from this particular farming position. I'll click on Withdraw, type in my confirmation password there, click on Sign Submit, and now that's it. It's withdrawing my assets from it. Now, what this actually does at the same time is if I have any rewards in this particular pool, it would have also harvested those rewards and sold them for me at the same time. So it does a whole bunch of smarts behind it to move those assets out. You can see here my screen's already updated. So I've removed that bit of liquidity from this farming pool here. Now I can go to Earn Liquidity, and now I can see my liquidity here on the screen. So it hasn't completely moved out yet. And this is the next step that I can do. And I can tell it what I want, how I want to remove the liquidity from the DEX. So here I can click on expand this. I'll click on remove, and I have an option here. I can remove it as is, and I'll get the 2 assets from this particular liquidity pool. I'll have some ADA. So they estimate that I'm going to have 5.6 ADA, and the amount of SNEC, 1,215. So there's a bit of a split there. It seems okay, but then I'm probably going to sell SNECs for ADA and then have to do another transaction. So that's going to cost me. And with small amounts like this, it's going to be more and more transaction fees that I don't want to pay for. So what I can do instead is click on Zap Out, and I can sell all those LP tokens or the equivalent amount of ADA. See, here I've got 11.32 ADA. So instead of having these 2 assets here, the 5.6 and the 1,215, let's just go straight to ADA because I'm going to do that anyway, zap out, and then sell my assets on a centralized exchange. So here now I can click on Zap Out, sign this particular transaction. This all looks good to me. Sign it. There we go. So that's going to be submitted on chain. And I'll have more ADA in my wallet in a second. So I've got 15.89. There we go. That's already changed. The LP is already out. My my liquidity pool position is gone. Let's check my wallet again. There we go. So now I've got 26.33 ADA on there, and my liquidity pool tokens for this SNEC pool are gone. And I didn't see any SNEC enter my wallet. So that's a really quick and easy way to move out of a farming position, move it to a liquidity pool, and then sell it off for ADA so that I can then move it to a centralized exchange and off-ramp those assets. Really quick and easy. Hopefully you found that video useful and you've learned something from it. There are plenty more videos around MemSwap, all the different features that you can use. So please make sure you watch all of them to get the most out of the MemSwap DEX.